Hey everyone, welcome to Health on Hand YouTube channel. Today we have dealt with a super important thing about 6 ways to improve your posture. Good posture is important for our health and well-being. It helps us stand tall and move with ease. When we have good posture, our bodies are in proper alignment. This reduces strain on our muscles and joints. Good posture also helps us avoid pain and discomfort. Our posture affects our daily activities. Good posture makes it easier to walk, run, and exercise. It also helps us perform daily tasks like sitting at a desk or lifting objects. When we have good posture, we feel more confident and energetic. Good posture is essential for everyone. Whether you are young or old, active or sedentary, good posture is crucial. By maintaining good posture, we can improve our overall health and well-being. Taking steps to improve your posture can have a positive impact on your life. It is a worthwhile investment in your long-term health and comfort. Posture refers to the way we hold our bodies while standing, sitting, or lying down. It is the alignment of our bones, muscles, and joints. Good posture means our bodies are in a neutral and balanced position. When we have good posture, our muscles work efficiently, and our bones are properly supported. This reduces stress on our joints and ligaments. Good posture also allows for optimal breathing and digestion. On the other hand, poor posture can lead to various problems. It can cause muscle imbalances, joint pain, and reduce flexibility. It can also affect our breathing, digestion, and even our mood. Understanding the importance of posture is crucial for maintaining a healthy body and preventing potential problems. By adopting good posture habits, we can improve our overall well-being. Many people experience posture problems due to various factors, including prolonged sitting, poor ergonomics, and lack of exercise. Some common posture problems include 1. Rounded shoulders. This occurs when the shoulders slump forward, often due to prolonged computer use or slouching. 2. Forward head posture. This happens when the head protrudes forward, straining the neck and upper back muscles. 3. Anterior pelvic tilt. This is characterized by an excessive inward curvature of the lower back leading to a protruding stomach and buttocks. 4. Posterior pelvic tilt. This is the opposite of anterior pelvic tilt, where the pelvis tucks under, resulting in a flat back and hunched posture. These posture problems can cause muscle imbalances, pain, and discomfort. Identifying any underlying posture issues is essential for addressing them effectively. Poor posture can have significant consequences for our musculoskeletal system. When we maintain poor posture over time, it places excessive stress on certain muscles and bones. For example, slouching can overstretch the muscles in the upper back while shortening the chest muscles. This imbalance can lead to rounded shoulders and upper back pain. Similarly, forward head posture can strain the neck muscles and lead to headaches. Over time, poor posture can also contribute to the development of musculoskeletal disorders. These disorders can cause pain, stiffness, and limited range of motion. Some common musculoskeletal disorders associated with poor posture include kyphosis, an excessive outward curvature of the upper back, often referred to as hunchback; lordosis, an excessive inward curvature of the lower back, also known as swayback; scoliosis, a sideways curvature of the spine. Addressing poor posture is crucial for preventing long-term damage to our muscles and bones. Checking your posture. Checking your posture regularly is essential for identifying any potential issues and making necessary adjustments. Good posture not only helps you look confident but also prevents discomfort and long-term health problems. Here are some simple techniques to check your posture that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. First, the wall test for standing posture. This is a quick and effective way to ensure your body is aligned correctly. Stand with your back flat against a wall, feet shoulder width apart. This position helps you gauge if your posture is straight. Your head, shoulder blades, and buttocks should touch the wall. This alignment is crucial for maintaining a healthy posture. There should be a small space between your lower back and the wall. This gap indicates the natural curve of your spine. Next, the mirror test for sitting posture. This test helps you check your alignment while seated, which is important for those who sit for long periods. Sit sideways in front of a mirror. This position allows you to see if your body is aligned properly. Your ears should be aligned with your shoulders, and your shoulders should be aligned with your hips. This alignment helps prevent strain on your back and neck. Your feet should be flat on the floor and your forearms should be parallel to the ground. This position supports your spine and reduces fatigue. Lastly, the lying down posture check. This test helps you understand your spine's natural alignment when you are lying down. Lie on your back on a firm surface with your legs extended. This position helps you feel the natural curves of your spine. Pay attention to the natural curves in your spine. These curves are essential for absorbing shock and maintaining balance. There should be a slight curve in your lower back and neck. These curves help support your body's weight and movement. By performing these simple posture checks regularly, you can gain awareness of your posture and identify areas for improvement. Consistent practice will help you maintain a healthy and confident posture. Exercises and stretches for better posture. Incorporating specific exercises and stretches into your routine can help strengthen muscles, improve flexibility, and promote better posture. Here are some examples that you can easily integrate into your daily routine to see significant improvements over time. For stretches, try the chest stretch. This stretch is excellent for opening up your chest and shoulders, which can become tight from prolonged sitting or poor posture. Interlock your fingers behind your back and straighten your arms, pushing your chest forward. Hold this position for about 15 to 30 seconds, feeling the stretch across your chest and shoulders. Next, the neck stretch. Gently tilt your head to the side, bringing your ear towards your shoulder. This stretch helps relieve tension in your neck muscles, which can accumulate from looking at screens or poor sleeping positions. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds and repeat on the other side. Then, the hamstring stretch. This stretch is crucial for maintaining flexibility in your legs and lower back. Sit on the floor with your legs extended. This position helps isolate the hamstring muscles for a more effective stretch. Reach for your toes, keeping your back straight. This ensures that you are stretching the hamstrings properly without putting unnecessary strain on your lower back. For exercises, start with wall slides. This exercise is great for improving shoulder mobility and strengthening the muscles around your shoulder blades. Stand with your back against a wall, feet shoulder width apart. Ensure your entire back, including your lower back, is touching the wall. Slide down the wall as if sitting in a chair, holding for a few seconds and repeat. This movement helps engage your core and lower body muscles. Next, shoulder blade squeezes. Sit up straight and squeeze your shoulder blades together, holding for a few seconds and repeat. This exercise is excellent for counteracting the effects of slouching and helps improve upper back strength. Finally, the plank. Hold a plank position, ensuring your body forms a straight line from head to toe. This exercise is fantastic for building core strength and stability. Engage your core and hold for as long as comfortable. Remember to breathe steadily and avoid letting your hips sag or rise too high. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have any pre-existing conditions. They can provide personalized advice and ensure that the exercises are safe and effective for you. Integrating posture-friendly habits. Maintaining good posture is an ongoing effort that requires incorporating posture-friendly habits into our daily lives. Here are some tips. First, ergonomics. Ensure your workspace is ergonomically designed. This means having a setup that supports your body in a natural position. Use a chair with good lumbar support, which helps maintain the natural curve of your spine and reduces strain on your lower back. Adjust your computer monitor to eye level so you don't have to tilt your head up or down, which can cause neck strain. And use a keyboard and mouse that promote neutral wrist positioning. This helps prevent repetitive strain injuries. Next, breaks and movement. Take frequent breaks from prolonged sitting or standing. It's important to give your body a chance to move and reset. Get up and move around every 30 minutes to stretch and reset your posture. Simple stretches and short walks can make a big difference. Then, footwear. Wear supportive footwear that promotes proper foot alignment and arch support. Your feet are the foundation of your posture. Avoid high heels or shoes that lack adequate cushioning, as they can throw off your balance and posture. Lastly, mindfulness. Pay attention to your posture throughout the day. Regularly check in with yourself to ensure you're maintaining good alignment. Be mindful of slouching, hunching, or other postural deviations. Make adjustments as needed to keep your body in a healthy position. By making posture a conscious effort and integrating these habits into our daily routines, we can significantly improve our posture and overall well-being. Remember, good posture not only helps prevent pain and discomfort, but also boosts confidence and energy levels. Let's make posture-friendly habits a part of our everyday life. Conclusion. Good posture is essential for our physical and mental health. It helps us move with ease, prevents pain and discomfort, and contributes to a positive self-image. By understanding the importance of posture, identifying common problems, and incorporating posture-friendly habits, we can improve our posture and enhance our overall well-being. Remember to check your posture regularly, engage in exercises and stretches that promote good posture, and make conscious efforts to maintain a healthy and aligned body. By prioritizing posture, we invest in our long-term health and vitality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.